Meaning of hyphen.
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 Hyphen. A hyphen is a punctuation mark, used to connect two or more words or parts of words to form a compound term or to indicate a word break at the end of a line. It is commonly used in English language to create compound words, such as self-esteem or mother-in-law. Hyphens can also be used to clarify meaning or to avoid ambiguity, such as in the phrase repair, meaning to repair again, versus repair, meaning to fix. Proper use of hyphens can improve clarity and readability in written communication.